Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Bahrain. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Kingdom of Bahrain Ministry of Interior website. Here under visa services, you have an option apply for a visa. So it has opened a visa selection criteria pop-up. Let me point you. Okay, this was an additional pop-up that came out. So do you have a current valid residence permit for a GCC country? I select no. Purpose of your visit. I select general visit. Detailed purpose. I select tourism. Nationality as shown in your passport. So I select Canada. Then do this captcha, which I'm very bad at doing. On the information you have supplied, able to apply for the following visa type. Online. Okay, you can apply for this or you can even apply on arrival. So Canadian nationals have this kind of benefits or you can say applicable way. If you have other nationality, let me check for India also. Okay, even for Indians, this is visit visa 2 weeks single entry, 3 months multiple entry, and you can stay up to 2 weeks, 1 month. So I'm gonna apply for this one. Okay. Are you travel Bahrain with any other family members? I selected no, but if you have like other family members like your spouse, kids, provide that information because they had written that whole family needs to be, if you're traveling along, you got to do. So first read terms condition, and if you're okay, click on I accept. Put your passport number. Do it as per your own case, guys. I'm just putting sample. I'm not going to submit this application. Gender, country of birth, student. Just sample, guys. So they have asked for family name, given name, names. Wow, occupation. If you have any doubt, there's a question mark at end of each field, which is going to be like a help link. So that's what you have to do. Place of work, provide full information. Email address, provide full email address. Don't do something like this because email address is very important. Telephone number, father's full name. These are just sample values, guys. Don't go just after it. Okay. Uh, Probably 10 digit. Ah. Oh, you have to do with country code. Okay. Oh. So check all the details. If everything is correct, then go to next. Now, this is the documentation part. You have to submit your passport, return air ticket, hotel booking, bank statement. Okay. And any other document, like I would recommend travel insurance and anything else that you want to do. Browse and upload here, go to next and pay the fee. Okay, they have given other information too, guidelines if you want to read. And if granted, you are all good to go. So that's reality how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.